Are you creating a commentary video, a reaction, or tutorial, and you need to circle crop it and maybe put your face in that video of you reacting? Then open the CapCut editing application and then import the first video in your timeline. And this is the video to which you'll react to. Maybe this is a music video, it's a TV show, a tutorial video, it doesn't matter. Just add it to the timeline and we can go to the next step. What you'll now do is to find this little overlay option at the bottom, then tap on the Add Overlay button, and this will essentially open our camera roll where you'll now want to find the video which you need to circle crop. This may be your face which you had recorded while commenting or reacting, so add this to the timeline. CapCut will then put the second video just below our primary video. But how can we do a circle crop? Make sure your video is selected, then scroll through these tools at the bottom until you find the mask option. Find the circle mask from these options, and then your job is to make small adjustments to the crop. Use the arrows to make your circle smaller or bigger, then add a little feathering if you need to, and that's essentially it. Happy editing, everyone, and if you need more CapCut editing tutorials and tricks, check out the playlist from the description of this video. It's going to help you out. Thank you for watching, everyone, and I'll see you soon.